Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome back to That's So Chev. Today is another Vlogmas video. As you can tell, the mood is kind of low. I'm feeling very low. Feeling very low. Feeling very down, feeling very out of it. I was supposed to have, this is not the reason why I'm feeling low, but I was supposed to have both yesterday's video, which was the 3rd, and then today's video. You know, I was supposed to have them out on their individual day, but everything's going to be going out on the 4th. So this is Vlogmas day 4. So tonight's video, as the title suggests and as the thumbnail suggests, we will be doing a little self-care tonight. As I mentioned, I'm feeling really down, really out, not in the mood. A lot on my mind, a lot that I can't fix, a lot that I can't, just a lot. And even now, I'm trying not to think too much or I'm gonna cry. Trying not to think too much so that I don't cry. So tonight, we're just gonna do our best to do some self-care. I'm gonna try to get my little tub blowed up. If you're new here, I live in Jamaica, and my bathroom, we do not have a tub where you can lay in and you can soak, and I don't have warm water, so I'll be boiling my water. I'll be boiling about 4-5 pans of water, and I have a blow up tub that I blow up every now and then to just lay down and relax in. If this is something that you're interested in watching, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, now we don't want to do too much. We don't want to do too much talking. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into today's video. But I wanted to show you a few products that I did purchase to kind of, razzle dazzle up a little self-care. So, listen. I bought this soap last night, right? This is Palm Olive Naturals Humectation bar soap. It has watermelon and lychee. Baby, let me tell you, this will have you smelling like a snack. Take my word. It smells so good. Like all night last night, I could smell myself. All right, so I bought that. Then, if you don't know, I'm an Irie Rock girly. I am a Irie Rock girly. This is Irie Rock Tea Tree and Witch Hazel Rejuvenating Facial Scrub. 2-in-1 exfoliating scrub and cleanser with baking soda. Great for removing blackheads and whiteheads. We're using this tonight. I also got the deep pore facial cleanser with salicylic acid, Witch Hazel as well. So this, you only use this 2 to 3 times a week. They say use this every day. So I bought those 2. And then I also bought the moisturizer, the Witch Hazel replenishing facial moisturizer. You see this? I used this last night, and I came out the shower last night and I put this on. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. That and the soap together, trouble. Aritons Cocoa Body Oil Amazing Grace. Yeah man. And then I bought the Dove Coconut and Cocoa Butter Restore. Is this lotion? Or is this body wash? This is body wash, right? This is body wash. No, because it says 24-hour lotion skin, soft skin lotion. So I was like, huh? What? Yeah. So anyways, right now hubby is doing something so beautiful for me. I wanted a little bit of a change of scenery for my little soak. Remember I told you guys I'm going to go in the tub? So hubby washed up my little tub and he's going to put it on the second floor, and I'm going to be outside in the night sky in my warm tub. Yeah. So a little change of scenery tonight. That's a bit different for me. I hope I don't catch a cold. Hey guys, not to interrupt your little video, but I just wanted to come and talk with you guys just a little bit, not for too long, you know, just a little bit. So doing the self-care, it was really important for me. It was already planned, but somehow it was really important for me to do this tonight, because I just really needed to get out of the funk that I was in. I have been just concerned about a lot of things, and I just needed to take my mind off the concern. So even though things didn't work out how I wanted it to work out for the self-care night, it worked out the way that it was supposed to work out. And I just want to say this to anyone. Don't worry about the aesthetics. Don't worry about everything. Just do what you gotta do. Use what you have and enjoy what you can enjoy while you have it to enjoy. Take care of the small things that God has given to you, because when He does bless you with the big things, what are you gonna do with it? Listen, if I tell you guys that this water is warm, I'd be lying. We boiled like maybe about 6 things of water, and this water is getting cold. It's getting cold, okay? It's getting cold, but it's a change of scenery. It's relaxing. It's self-care. I'm grateful that my husband even, I said it. I was like, it would be nice if I could carry the tub upstairs. He was like, you want to do that? And I said, can we? How are we going to do that? And he was like, no worry about it. Do you want to do that? I was like, yeah. So he did that. So we thought it was like a full bucket of water, of hot water. And the water is cold, okay? And where I live is already cold, okay? It's cold. It's really cold. So I'm not going to be in here very long. I am not. This is going to be realistic. You know what I love about the Vlogmas? Vlogmas is showing me up. Vlogmas is showing me all the way up that everything is not going to be aesthetics all the time. Just be you. Just do you. Just bear in mind, guys, I do have on something. Just be you. Just do you. Just create, okay? We all don't have the aesthetics. We all don't have what it takes to be that aesthetically pleasing content creator. But just create. One day, maybe we can become that. But right now, you don't have it. So just do what you can. Do what you can and just, So that's what I'm doing. I am outside in my very unaesthetically pleasing space. And I am enjoying the moon literally shining right down on me in lukewarm water. Now I understand why Jesus said, if you're lukewarm, I will spit you out, because I do not want to be in this water. So I'm just going to put on my moisturizer and call it a day. That may be a bit too much. If I can be honest, by this time, I really started to feel better. I really started to feel better because I smelled good, my skin felt good, and I just treated myself, something that I really haven't been doing. Sometimes you just go in the shower, take a shower, and you get out, and that's it. You don't do anything else, nothing more. But I'm learning to do that. I didn't just buy the products or buy these things just for this video. These are things that I really have been looking into doing, right? I've really been looking into doing a lot more taking care of myself. I take care of my household, take care of my husband, take care of my kids, and I need to learn to take care of myself. And there is nothing wrong with taking care of me, just like there's nothing wrong with you taking care of you, whether you are a female or a male. There is nothing wrong with you taking a moment and taking some time for yourself. So here is my advice to you. Use this video as a reminder that you need to take care of yourself. You need to put down everything, put everybody to bed, tell everybody to leave you alone, lock up in the bathroom, and just do you, okay? Do what you need to do for you so that you could feel better, so that your mental can be better. That's the portion of the bathroom self-care. We're gonna go into the next portion of self-care. So lately, another way that I take care of myself is I slow down by coloring word puzzles, word searches, those kind of things. My husband surprised me one night and brought home 2 word searches, and listen, I finished like 2 pages in one night. And then I recently purchased this coloring book off Amazon, and when I tell you I'm in love with this coloring book, it's all things floral, and it gives you like botanical facts about the flowers. Get it off of Amazon. It's in my description box. I promise you will not be disappointed. You will be busy, okay?